A Father's Day quiz. The third Sunday of June is celebrated as Father's Day in many countries including India. 21st June 2020 is a day to show your love for your father. You might call him Papa, Dad, Abu, Baba, Data or Bapu. To know your father better, you can give him a short quiz to fill out. Start his day with a handmade card. You can draw, color and write down a few things you love about him. Make sure you use his favorite color. Cook him his favorite dish with the help of others at home. Wishing all the wonderful fathers a very happy Father's Day.